So this question is a diagram question. Any question that provides some visual input, I'm going to call a diagram question. So the question here says employees working for a customer service line at an electric company recorded all the calls last Monday and noted whether the caller asked for repairs and whether the caller asked about a bill. The results are summarized in the table below. All right, so anytime I have a diagram, I know that I'm going to need to utilize that diagram in order to answer the question. So I see all my information here in this table. It seems pretty straightforward. We have, asked about a bill, did not ask about a bill, asked for repairs, did not ask for repairs. And of course, we have our total rows and columns there. The question goes on to say, if a caller last Monday who asked about his or her bill is selected at random. Okay, so if you're asking about a bill, that means we're in this first row. Is selected at random. Which of the following is closest to the probability? The word probability on this test means what you want divided by the total, or divided by what you have. So which of the following is closest to the probability that the customer also asked for repairs? So what do we want? We want the number of customers who asked for repairs. So ask for repairs in the first row, because again, the question told us we're talking about customers who asked about their bill. Well, that would be 48. Now the total, again, total out of what? Total out of all the customers who asked about a bill, well, that would be 671. So we do the math there. We go to our calculator. We see that 48, just using my handheld calculator here, 48 divided by 671. 48 divided by 671 is equal to 0.0715. Looking at our answer choices, that would mean that 0.07 is the correct answer. That's why choice B here is correct.